Good evening. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 18th, 2014. It's currently 6:50 p.m. We're doing an evening video for a couple of days, see how this works out. Currently we have temperatures falling through the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s over the New York City metropolitan area and lower 40s, even a few mid 40s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. We did have some snow today, and that snow was especially heavy over southern New Jersey, ranging anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow, quite a bit more than what I was expecting. Meanwhile, Connecticut performed just about as expected, and the rest of the region did as well. But southern New Jersey, because of a strong disturbance and strong mid-level warming, basically allowed for a period of very heavy snowfall, about an inch per hour in many locations. And then, once that snow finished, temperatures spiked into the upper 40s to lower 50s, melting all of that snow away. And it looks like we're going to be dealing with another disturbance on the way that's currently developing over the northern plains. This disturbance will bring rain and snow showers. No snow, no accumulating snow, as temperatures are going to be way too warm for accumulating snow. But it's certainly something to keep an eye on, and it will make some of the roadways a bit slick, especially tomorrow afternoon with that melting snow and then additional rain and snow on top of it. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see one storm leaving, another one on the way. Here comes our cold front and associated warm front. These are all Pacific disturbances now. And you can see that very clearly on the water vapor satellite picture. When we pan over a little bit, we got one that just exited. Here's the other one for tomorrow, and here's the third one for Friday. The one on Friday is going to have the potential to produce very heavy rainfall, but out ahead of it, very warm temperatures. How about highs around 60 degrees by Friday afternoon? That's right. That's what happens when you have a Pacific air mass basically run from the west coast to the east coast. It warms up very rapidly and produces very comfortable weather conditions. So here's our forecast for this evening. We're going to have high pressure basically take control for a brief period of time with some scattered cloud cover. Temperatures are going to fall off into the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the region. And unfortunately, that's going to mean anything that froze this afternoon, or should I say melted this afternoon, is going to refreeze by the time we get to tomorrow morning. So watch out for some black ice. The good news, though, is that our temperatures are going to rebound very nicely into the mid to upper 40s for highs, producing very comfortable weather conditions, if you don't mind the scattered showers that will be moving through in the afternoon. Again, nothing major, but just a bit of a nuisance, kind of helping the melting process along. Your dry day is going to be on Thursday with high pressure in control, but kind of in between systems here. Temperatures going to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for highs and mid to upper 40s. Upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. Now, on Friday, that strong cold front will be moving through the region. Now, the brunt of the best dynamics will be lifting up into the St. Lawrence River Valley with this low pressure system right here. And we're going to have a trail of showers and thunderstorms. That's right, thunderstorms along this cold front right here. Ahead of the cold front, temperatures will range from the mid 40s for lows and mid 50s to lower 60s for highs on Friday. Very nice weather conditions. And then the heavy rain comes on Friday evening into Saturday morning with a few embedded thunderstorms. Nothing severe in nature, but certainly some very heavy rainfall. Combine the heavy rain with the melting snow, and there's going to be the potential for some localized flash flooding. High pressure will be in control for Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures pretty much near normal. Saturday is going to be warm, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s for lows and lower to mid 50s for highs. Sunday, temperatures are going to range from the lower to mid 30s for lows, but only the mid 40s for highs, as some colder air works into the region. And then on Monday, high pressure continues to hang on, with only a few scattered snow flurries expected. Colder conditions still with a passing disturbance, looking at lower to mid 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs throughout the region. And then on Tuesday, we have to watch this disturbance right here. It's going to be diving south through the Tennessee River Valley and towards the mid-Atlantic coast with an area of low pressure developing out of the Gulf Coast. Plenty of cold air in place and a high pressure system in a perfect position. You got moisture pulling. You have cold air in place. You have some high latitude blocking and a ridge just in the right position. Trouble could be brewing for the middle of next week with another winter storm. But we have some time before we get to that. And let's face it, let's enjoy the 50s that are coming up for Friday. And then we'll deal with our snowstorm potential for the middle of next week. That's your forecast discussion for tonight. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful night, and as always, stay safe out there.